Dear friends, how are you guys? This is Trader 2.0 Reloaded. Okay, so right now you're watching my XRP USDT Binance screen. Everybody is thinking it's gonna go up. See, as we are speaking, this is what I was about to say. It's gonna drop. So this is a 15-minute time frame, as you can see. It's gonna drop back to this level right here at 0.9276. It's gonna do a few more of what do you call not the accumulation, make it clear, okay? It is not accumulation, distribution is happening, distribution, okay? So it's going to distribute more, and all that is going to happen is going to come down on this trend line here, is going to react to this trend line a little bit, and then it's going to drop back down to 84 cents. Okay, so let's just confirm that. Okay, yeah, that's right, to 84 cents, precisely on 84 cents. Okay, and from 84 cents, what's going to happen? Hang on, let me take you to my daily chart. Yeah, so it's going to come to 84 cents. Okay, and from 84 cents, what's going to happen is basically like it's going to pretty much travel down to this particular bar right here. Okay, so that's where it's going to land on. So why 84 cents? Like it comes down here, like it gets stopped out like on the trend line, and then it have to travel on the outside of this trend line, and then it drops down to this level. Okay, from this level, most likely what's going to happen is like it's going to go and retest this outer trend line over here once again, and it's going to drop back down to exactly this level right here, which is 0.6568. I repeat, 0.6568. From 0.6568, what will happen is like it will go back up, yeah, to exactly at this level, this valley right here. So it will clear this valley, so you can pretty much sell at 0.8411. When it comes down here, it will go back up to 0.8, right around here. Yeah, let me just put a ray on it, so this way it's better, and change the color to red. Yeah, so once it clears 0.8319 and goes up anywhere inside here, like it's a sell zone. So what in turn that will do is like it will come back down below this downtrend line, I mean this uptrend line, then go back and retest that trend line from the outside. So if you see, that is the level it is going to go and retest it, and then it will fall back down. After it falls, like when it falls back down, where is it going to fall down to? Is it is going to come down to this untested level here. This level is an untested level, so it is going to fall down to this level, and most likely while it is falling down here, it could wick this level too. So the body of the candle could be here, and the wick will be all the way here. So this will be 0.4899. This is 0.4899. Just above this, I'm going to buy. Okay. So from here, this is a weekly level, and this is a monthly level. So from here, what I'm going to do is like I'm going to sell. Let's go to the weekly level. So this is the weekly chart. It's going to go back up to right to this zone right here. And if it can break this zone, then it maximum can go to this zone right here. So I believe that's pretty much about right. So depending on the angle at which it travels, say if it travels like this way, then it's going to go here, and say if it goes at a much steeper angle, then it's going to go to this level. From there it will drop back down. Watch carefully, this will happen for sure. It will drop back down to this particular level right here, this blue line right here. I have everything mapped out already, and I've been taking trades left, right, and center like on this. So when it is coming down, 99.9% of the time it will land right on 3376, 0.3376. Okay, 0.3376, and that's where you could expect a reversal. That's where, like, it could start to like slowly accumulate. Okay, and then it can go out of the wedge, because you guys, what you're calculating is this smaller wedge right here. So this wedge is what you guys are calculating right now, because what happens, it makes a trend line, and from a trend line it makes another trend line. What you guys fail to notice is, like, there is another trend line right here at the bottom. So it have to exit this, because it tried to break the top level and it failed. It failed. It couldn't break the top level. So if it couldn't break the top level, what it'll do is, like, it'll try to break this trend line from the bottom. From the bottom, that's what will happen. Because from the top, like, it failed, so like it's going to drop down and travel along the bottom wedge, so it can try and break it again. That's basically what's going to happen. So once it comes to this blue line right here, yeah, I'll have my buy order ready, waiting. Like, I'll usually buy like right by the wick, and I'll sell it at the very top. That's basically how I play my trades. And this will continue along, like along with the wedge, like, and it will exit the wedge, and you will be looking at somewhere around $5 or so, like, when it peaks up. And so this is what is going to happen. So for those of you, like, who's thinking XRP to the moon tomorrow, is not going to happen. XRP will definitely go to the moon, but it is not going to happen tomorrow. Okay, so just keep that in your mind. What is happening right now, I don't believe in bull traps or bear traps or any of those traps. But if you guys are not smart enough, and if you guys don't know like what you're doing, then you're going to lose out on money. So, I bought at 57 cents. I sold at dollar 76, I believe, 76 or 86. I sold it, right? And so now, you guys are thinking, like, like, just because it went up here, like, it's going to continue going up. Not happening. You watch. This is coming down. It's coming down hard. And moreover, if you think about it, like, I have my trend line marked here. Now, this is the way you mark a trend line, and a lot of people don't realize how to mark a trend line as well. Okay, if you can see, like, like, it retraced on my trend line, and then, like, it found support here a little bit, and then, like, it fell back. It came back to the trend line, and it resisted and it came down. Now, once again, like, it's back on the trend line. Okay, like, and then it's going to resist and it's going to come down. And this will happen, man. This will happen for sure. So, you know, the problem is, you guys are trading with the style that the institutions taught you. So, that style of trading, like, you're gonna keep trading and you're gonna lose money. You're gonna make maybe like 30% of the time, but 70% you're gonna lose. They're gonna give you peanuts while they take the majority of the share. But my style of trading, the way I trade is, I do what the institutions do. So I like, my vision is pretty much like the shark vision, right? So that's why I'm saying what I'm saying. It's up to you whether to take it or leave it. But this is definitely what's going to happen. Thank you. Have a nice day.